Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to transfer Webflow site to another account. Now before we get started, I have this account that I have just created named Vladimir Shakiv, and I'm going to be transferring that particular Webflow here. And yeah, this is the Webflow that I'm going to be transferring. Now to do this, we can go ahead and click this 3 vertical dots here, or 3 horizontal dots rather, and then click the settings, and you have the transfer option here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this, and then I'm going to go ahead and type the email here, which is this one, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click transfer. So after doing so, you should be able to see an invitation on your other account. So let's go here, let's go ahead and just refresh this a little bit. Yep, you have here an incoming site transfer. I'm gonna go ahead and click accept and transfer the site. So let's go ahead and click this and choose a workstation or workspace if, say for example, we have many. After doing that one, we should be able to receive it here. So again, now it is in Vladimir Shakiv. And that, everybody, is how you're going to transfer Webflow site to another account.